Glock D, kaya po kami nandito. And first time po after how many years? Makikita niyo na po si Glock D.
30 pala tayo.
Bye-bye guys! See you later! So ayun guys, papasok na kami din sa sa kuweba ng pagpe-performan ni Glock D. Magpe-perform si Glock D. Kasama ko sila and let's see if masarap ba yung food. Guys, ayun si Glock. So yun guys, naglalakad kami dito ngayon sa
Going to cross the street tapos.
Going to cross the street. Susi ko, di mo kami babangkay naka-video. So yun guys, napunta na kami sa sama si Glocky and si Jezebel. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa may UP Village kasi may magpe-perform sa Jess and Pats and we will support him because we're the best cousin here. Char! Yun guys, kami ay papasok na sa may Jess and Pats. Performer. Okay guys, welcome back to my vlog. So, nandito kami ngayon sa baba kasi it's we have to wait but in the invitation, diba? 5 yung nakalagay but they're Filipino time. So, they're gonna start so late na. But it's okay, we're gonna wait. Tsaka parang ang ganda dito ng Bible. Look at the place. So this is Julie May. Say hi Julie May. You can follow her here. Kimi. Pwede na daw kami umakyat. Pang-ano performer si Glock D? Pang-7 performer. Guys, akyat na kami. You're in the past, and I'm right again.
First, this is going to crush us. It was so alive, as I only had to think that got to lose on the passage. Sa malaping aking naikan, hanap ko ang sa'yo. Kapaligiran ay sobrang ingay, at boses mo ang siyang lunas. Sa sobrang daming hita na aking nakikita, hanap ko ang butas.
Hi guys! Update, kinakabahan na po si Glock dito.
Kulang na lang ipasok mo yun.
So ano po yung nararamdaman niyo?
Nakabahay. Nagpapawisan na
Bakit
ako.
po kayo nakabahan? Di ba po matagal na po kayo nagpe-perform?
Kasi, ano yun? Kanta ko.
First time mo po ba?
First time ko kayo. First time nakakanta ko.
Bakit first time niya lang po?
Yung nagtagtakas na lang.
Kanina niyo po dinededicate yung kanta niyo po.
God, sa family. Sa girlfriend.
Plastic! Excited na po ba kayo?
Excited. Pero andun pa rin ako.
So yun guys, kinakabahan na siya because siya na yung next na magpa-perform.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Percy. This is my first time performing this. All of my songs. Sana magustuhan niyo. Lagi kumakabog aking dibdib sa tuwing nakatingin sa'yo. Ano nang ba to? This last song is nasulat ko siya nung may napanaginipan akong girl, and yung girl na yun is girlfriend ka na. You get my attention since I dream about you. It feels strange, like a vision from above that leads me into you. You always gives me shivers down to my spine. You are my most vivid dream, my vivid dream. Oh yeah, I couldn't forget you since you evade me from my sleep. You've been running in my mind, and I don't want you to stop. I don't want you to stop, no. So please keep running all day long, and I will get you. You are my most vivid dream, my vivid dream. Oh, I couldn't forget you since you take me from my sleep. I will catch you if you fall. I will catch you if you fall.
Pa-picture na ako. Sorry. Hey guys, kakain na kami.
Idol!
Take 1, 2, 3. Go. Hi guys, panoorin niyo ako.
Psycho girl,
Ay,
but
kami
I am
nag-pepper.
crazy for
Di ba ito ako nagsasalita ako?
You don't want to make sure I'm
9.5
not in
overton.
danger, but you look at me like I'm some kind of stranger. It breaks my heart every time you tear it into. Yeah, you killed me before, but now I'm hunting you. I wanna sniff every bit of your cheek. Did I do? I'm not a psycho girl, but I am crazy for you. I'll follow you home, I'll follow you home, from your school to your Uncle Tom. I'll follow you home.
Gawa niya yan, yung kanta, gawa niya yun.
From your school to your Uncle Tom. Yeah, that's it.
Ang title,
Yeah,
ang
my songs are
welcome.
pretty good and silly, so I hope you guys enjoy them.
Hope
This
you guys
one's called
enjoy
Stop.
it.
Just let that slowly sink in, for I'll be careful for you, baby. Maybe a stranger
May na-content din ako. Salamat sa pagsama. Doon makikita yung bago mong song. Parang ganito yung kagaya ng dubpool niya na ano.
My next song is called,
Nice one.
I think,
Guys, last song niya.
like Pine Trees or something. Okay.
Guys, yung middle is... There. Losing yung
The
ganun.
pine trees don't feel it, look the same. A Twin Peaks floor is driving me insane. But I'm a lynch and whore, better play for mine. To run away from home and you're running out of time. You only answer my calls when you're up, lights and fiddle, things get better. Well, do you feel like running if it makes you feel less?
Sabi ko na magkamukha kami ni Aya.
Oh, come on. Come on.
The Dimples.
Like trees don't feel it look the same. The way you're looking at me is driving me insane. That bad.
Galing na guys.
Yeah, my next song, I'll sing a cover.
Hindi mo ginamit
So
sa last
this
one.
is Cole's 500 baseball.
Tatlo lang kinagtamtam. Ano performance?
Time changed on the balconies. Guess I've got a lot to learn.
Sabi nga ginawa niya.
No?
8 hours on the top of the bus, just to find out in the end I'll never stop falling in love.
Narinig ka,
I'm
tama.
alright, and I'm always getting better. Let the fire burn low, cause we like it that way. We let the ash flow down our throats, so stop.
Meron lang siya ano. Black ball na may white. Bakit hindi pa may galing eh? May milk siya. Ay, galing yan. It's a criticism. It's a good criticism. They will learn from it if they watch it.
Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello there. Maybe just in thanks for having us. Well, this is the part where I forget the lyrics, but hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. She's watching over me. And other times I feel like I should go.
Tapos gagawin ko ng
Rinig ba lahat? Hello, Jesse Pats. Good evening. Pasensya na, magiging ngayon ang
First, walang practice. First, gig first practice.
impromptu band.
Nag-gain lang kami ng buo, guys. Pagkakal lang namin.
But we were also a ukulele club called Ukeholics Anonymous. We hold ukulele events, free workshops, like once or twice a month. So visit the page, Ukeholics Anonymous. But anyways.
Yeah, join our cultistic club. Wow. Yeah, cover mo na.
Magaling lang ako sa umpisa. Umasa ka pa sa aking mga pangako na bilang sa wala. Nasayang lang ang iyong pagtsatsaga. Wala kang napala at puro lang ako
na kami.
Alright, check. Yun. Nalala ko muna yung kasama ko kami. Si Emma, si Brian. So yeah, tulad bagay na kanina, we're members of a ukulele club called Ukuleholics Anonymous. We go all over Metro Manila to basically nagpapagig kami na puro ukulele musicians yung ano. So when you go to our gigs, you'll find us as ukulele instrumentalists, singer-songwriters. So sana makapunta kayo sa mga events din namin. Please check us out on Facebook. And then, for our next song, this is an original.
This song is originally Pangharana. Sa friend, we competed, bali dalawang song, pero I'll play my own version. And dahil yung friend namin, hindi siya sinugot, so you'll hear the happy in this. Instead na happy song, this would be a sad song. Anyways, this is called Damang Damang.
Girl, inubos ko lang po yung papel.
Napipil niya?
Light ka lang talaga sa bunga. Musically inclined ko kaya medyo alam ko yung mga preparation. Inclined at yung nakatapat sa kami. Hindi mo kasi natatanong. Mga
ayun yan yun. Ayun yan.
Dun sa
simulators. Hindi pwede naman dito.
Decision. Tanggalin mo muna.
Nag-charger naman ako dala.
iPhone user yun.
Sensya mo guys, medyo matagal na.
And sleep paralysis. That's it.
This is my song. Para sa huling mga minuto na papanoorin namin na performance, hindi ko na maiwasang hindi matulala. Pero habang pinapakinggan ko yung kanta, daming pumapasok na aral sa isipan ko. Yung nakuha ko na sa ilang minutong pagsama ko sa kanila, hindi ko pinagsisisihan at hindi nasayang yung oras ko. Lalo na nung mga naisip ko yung mga simple pero may malalim na dahilan na minsan hindi natin napapansin. Itong alon, saranggola, mikropono, at sa likod nito ay iba't ibang instrumento. At alam niyo ba na lahat ng ito ay konektado lamang sa nag-iisang salita na pumasok sa isipan ko. Ito ang kalayaan. Ang galing, no? Yung lugar kung saan simple at isang kapihan ang tingin ng nakakarami, para sa akin may mas malalim na pahiwatig at magandang aral na kapupulutan. Sa alon. Ang alon kung saan malaya kumumpas sa kung saan ito kagustuhan. Walang ibang mahadlang, walang ibang handang pigilan. Ito lamang ay natural na ginawa bilang isang kalikasan. Kitang-kita natin ang kalayaan. Kung saan malayang dampiin ng hangin, malayang hagkan ng karagatan, parang pangarap ng isang tao. May malakas na alon ng pangarap at may mababang pangarap na sa katagalan ng panahon ay tataas at aahon. Saranggola. Naalala ko pa nung panahon ng aking pagkabata, isang musmus na hawak ang isang tingting at goma upang malayang gumawa ng sariling saranggola sa pagpili ng bawat kulay, laki at haba. Naalala mo pa ba kung papaano katuruan tumakbo ng isang ama at iwagayway itong pabalik-balik ang isang plastic sa himpapawid? Nakikita mo ba kung papaano ang pagbaba ng lipad sa katagalan ng paghila natin? Ang mababa ay mas lalong tumataas ang lipad dahil ang saranggola ay parang isang pangarap. Isang taong may pangarap na patuloy na hinihila pababa, pero sa bawat paghila natin ay siya rin pag-asa natin upang mas lalong ganahan ito pa rin. Mikropono. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko maisip kung ano nga ba ang mural na nakapaskil sa labas nito. Isang mikropono sa gitna ng dalawang taong puno ng kung ano-ano at napapaligiran ng iba't ibang instrumento. Kaya napaisip ako, paano ba ito makukonekta sa kalayaan? At paano nito konektado sa lahat ng sining na nakita ng mga mata ko? Alam ko na. Kalayaan pa rin. Malaya ang dalawang taong puno ng sining sa katawan, maging malaya para sa kanilang nararamdaman, malayang gumawa ng sariling tula, kanta o kahit anong sining na ating makikita, dahil napapaligiran tayo ng iba't ibang instrumento, na handang magpagamit makita lamang ng ating talento. Kaya sa bawat kanta at taong nakita nyo sa video ko, sila ang tunay na simbolo ng kalayaan. Dahil malaya nilang naipamalas ang kanilang iba't ibang version ng kanilang sariling kanta. Kalayaan. Okay guys, we're done. It was a nice experience for the first timer. I mean, first time mo ba mag-first? Eh, that's nice.
Ate, pag nadapa ka?
Hindi ako madadapa, girl. So yun guys, I enjoyed. Hi girl! I enjoyed the night and I hope guys it will be a great one big step for every musician to take one step at a time. That's all guys. Bye!